Hey guys, Shadowhawks here again. Got another box in the mail from Pbgear auctions. I went ahead and opened it up, and this is what I got. I got my V-Force grill. I got the Nightmare Lime color. It looks pretty nice. I might open it up here in a second. But I also got a whole load of pods. 15 to be exact, but got the Mountain Smoke color. So there's never any harm in having extra. But as for the mask, go ahead and open this up. It's a nice light material. It's flexible. I like it a lot. It's a very smooth looking mask. What's this? Just the visor. Alright, well, thank you guys. Thank you, Derek. And I'll see you guys on pbgearauctions.com.